Hello guys! So, this is Kawaayeet, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my room. This is kind of a huge mess. I am not much of a minimalist. Bag of chips because your girl's got a snack when she's gaming. Look how epic it is! It's a Mario calendar. I know I'm a little bit old for a bunk bed, but no. Let me tell you the secret. To start off, it's my lovely door. We open it quickly. So this is what it looks like when you first enter. I guess we'll start at the door and then we'll go this way. Yeah, so that's my work hat, and then we have, I already put up 3 Christmas decorations. We also, this is my wall mirror. Well, it's on my door, but it's what I use to choose the fits of the day. I also, let me focus it. Underneath my work hat, I also keep my resistance bands in there. I also have an old music tie from when I did choir. And if you look over here, there's the light switch. So my room, I just have a habanero thing chilling there. Yeah, sorry about the focus, guys. I gotta figure this camera out. Yeah, so right here, I guess I kind of just keep a bunch of notebooks first of all, and then I have my my 3DS and my Switch Lite. I also keep all my body baths there, and I don't know why. I think I just keep that there because it matches the color. I know it's just like an empty box, but it had perfume in it when I first got it. So thanks to my my lovely mother who gave that to me. We also have a makeup palette that I like never use because I'm a simple girl. I don't really put a lot of makeup on. We also have some moisturizer, some face wipes. This is a tissue box here. Let me like pull it out. Okay, so yeah, this is a tissue box. It was originally just like a purple box, but then I decided to paint it to look like a Mario question block. Next I just have my glasses along with my other pair of old glasses. Then this is kind of a huge mess. I am not much of a minimalist, I guess. I like to keep things around, which I probably should throw things out that I don't really ever use, but I just feel like it would be a waste if I did. So right here I have all of my like lipsticks, brushes. It's kind of very deorganized right now. I didn't really have the effort to clean my room for this tour, but that's what it looks like normally. I also have all my body sprays, lotions, different hair serums, all that kind of stuff just right there. There's also the mirror that I introduced the video in. Hello, I'm out of focus, but that's okay. Next off, we have cute little panda bag that my best friend gave me. Thank you so much, it's so cute. I also have my little makeups in there. I have a bunch of necklaces in those. I have my makeup wipes right there. All my nail stuff I keep in there. Just more makeup stuff. Right here is my clock, and up here I DIY'd those myself as well. If you guys want a video where I show you guys how to make all the stuff that that's gonna be in this video, give this video a like. Don't forget to comment down below which one specifically you want me to make a video on, and I would be happy to show you guys that. I also keep all my baby lips and my Nivea. Gotta have moisturized lips. I cannot deal with dry lips. I guess I'll continue here. I also have a bunch of like headbands and stuff and just like deodorants in there. I don't remember what's in that box. I think it's just empty. I also have this beauty blender, an extra beauty blender in case I need it. I probably will. The other one's getting a little old. Yeah, so this is like a whole shelf thing. So in this section I keep my cheer bows. All my old cheer bows I keep in there. I have nail polish remover there. I also keep my scrunchies in there. Some invisible ink. I don't know why that's there, but it is. I also have all my this is gonna sound weird. I have all my diaries there. If you guys haven't checked out my reading my childhood diary video, guys, you should go check it out. I'll leave it down in the link in the description, or I'll put a little flag where you guys can click on it. I also have all all my dork diaries because I loved that series as a kid. I also have a bunch of other random nonsense there. Oh, going back up here, I also have this random checklist for 2020 of just like things I wanted to do. I'm gonna leave it here. You guys can pause it if you want to look at it, but if not, then let's move on. Yeah, so anyways, above my whole vanity section here, I have 2 Filipino flags. They're actually from the Philippines. My mother brought them home from the last time she went. I also have a whole bunch of memory photos there. They're kind of outdated. I feel like I should swap them out. I've had them there for a while and I've always wanted to have new ones. Okay, yeah, so moving on here, we have kind of like my little like game-ish section apart from my PC, which is over there. I kind of just store all of my my pops on my old electronics in there. I also keep my to-do list. I don't know if you guys, this has made an appearance in a video before. Yeah, so I just have some pop boxes there, some Rectus journals that I got from my sister. I have some sketchbooks there as well. I also have all of my lovely games that just chill there. It's a little dusty. Oh my gosh, you guys can literally see the dust. Yeah, I keep all my whiteboard stuff there. I have my pops as well. Minecraft sword, love that. I also have more sketchbooks down there. More kind of gaming stuff, my GameCube controllers down there. Yeah, I think that's it for this section. I mean, I guess I keep my tripod kind of in this corner, along with my boombox thing. I don't know if that's a boombox, but it's a Bluetooth speaker thing. I also have extra headset there, extra keyboard, my microphone box. Okay, so along with this section, I also keep my fan there because my room gets super hot, especially with the PC running. We also have dun, 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 my window. Look at that. I bought those little garlands online and I decided to drape them down so it looks kind of like mixture of foresty but also kind of like cute purple aesthetic, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so down here to the left of the window, we have all of my, well, most of my little plushies. I've had those for as long as I can remember, especially Mario and Luigi. I've literally had them for as long as I can remember. They have been by my side since day one. So yeah, coming over here, this is my whole setup. Yeah, so all of the stuff up there I made myself. I mean, I didn't make the little flower things, but I bought them from Dollarama and I just painted pixel hearts on them. Let me just focus it. There we go. And I got that little shell thing from a Happy Meal, and I also painted that little Yoshi egg up there. But yeah, I wanted my room to have a lot of pixel heart themed kind of stuff, but that was also purple. But I couldn't find many things online, so I decided to make it myself. Again, I will make a video if you guys want me to on how to paint these and how to like make cute little aesthetic stuff for your room. Okay, and then coming down here, I'm just gonna sit down because my arms are killing me. This camera is so heavy. In this little cubby thing, I have painted a little Kirby pot that I painted myself. I have a little pineapple drink mug thing. I also have Pokeballs that I painted as well, and the Gamer Pog Champ, I got that from, I'm pretty sure I got it from Chapters, I think. Yeah, I just decided to write Gamer Pog Champ because I didn't really know what else to put there. In this little cubby, I have a little canvas here. I have a little canvas in the back there that says be strong and courageous. I tried to paint rupees on the back of it, but it didn't really look that good, so I kind of just stuffed it back there. Oh no, Anna's fallen over. Hold on. I keep my little stress toy. I keep my little flippity octopus thing and more pops. Down there's all of like my academic achievements. My compass set, I think that's what it's called when you graduate. You know how you get the picture of all the graduates? That's kept down there. All my awards and all that are just chilling there. In this section, here, that's my headset. I also painted that. This is what the headset came in, and I also painted it with a heart on it, just so it kind of matches everything in my room. I also have a bunch of other stuff down there. I have a picture of me and my sister, a snow globe my sister gave me, and just some kind of like miscellaneous stuff that doesn't really matter. Bag of chips, because your girl's got a snack when she's gaming. We also have a Animal Crossing poster. Oh yeah, so, okay, let's rewind. All right, hold on. Let's get a nice view of the whole setup. Ain't that just like gorgeous? Okay. to start off, that's my monitor for my PS4. All my like gaming stuff and PS4 stuff's down there. That's my PC. Well, that's my PC. That's my monitor. As you can see, I was just editing a video for new Let's Play. Also, keyboard. If you guys want me to link down or I'm probably gonna link down in the description each of the different things that I have, just so you guys know. Luckily for me, I didn't have to pay for this keyboard. I won it from this contest that my workplace held. And the speakers were just my sister's old speakers, and you know, I'm the middle child, so I get hand-me-downs, if you know what I mean. I also have fancy microphone that I bought myself. A lot of this stuff, actually most of this stuff I bought myself. Actually everything that I have I bought myself, except for that monitor. I still have a lamp back there. I don't know if that's important or not. Next to this, look at how epic this calendar is. Can I just say, look how epic it is. It's a Mario calendar. Okay, so the way it works is that each month has a different, here, I'll show you. Each month has a different throwback to each game. So it starts off with the oldest Mario game you can think of, which I kind of don't remember. It's been like a year since I've seen that page, but it has all of the different Mario games, and it's literally the coolest thing ever. Now to go underneath my desk, so my PC's kept there. I also have the rest of the garlands. There's so many that came in there, so I kind of just have extra chill in there. Psychology book, or no, that's the MCAT book. I don't need that, so it just kind of sits there. I keep all my Christmas decorations in that little purple bag there. I also have a bunch of blankets. If you're wondering what this stack is, I use it to hold up my camera whenever I'm filming a gaming video, just because I don't have a mini tripod, and this tripod over there, it doesn't really do much justice, so yeah. I also keep my sports stuff down there. I also have a baseball glove, which doesn't fit my hand anymore. A bunch of badminton stuff when I did badminton in high school. I also have a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff that it's kind of just there. Okay, now for the weird thing. Okay, I know there's like Dory just chilling there, but yeah, so I have my GameCube, my Xbox 360, and my PS4 down there. The setup, let me tell you, setting this up was the hardest thing ever. Like, look at that. There's an outlet there, outlet there. I had to like wire everything all around this gigantic desk, and it was the most frustrating thing ever. I have a little dream thing that I also made up there. I made that myself. I made that a long time ago. Also, if you ever like, if you know me, I would not recommend going on that top mattress. There's a whole bunch of dust there because nobody's been on top of there since maybe I was like the 8th grade. So this is my bed. Yeah, I know I have a bunk bed. I've had it for a long time, and I know I'm a little bit old for a bunk bed, but no. Let me tell you the secret, okay? See this right here? See this? You could just like pull it over and make a little tent fort thing. It's literally the funnest thing ever. I also have this gaming blanket, which I'm in love with. I also have this little gaming pillow that I got from EB Games. I have a Squishmallow, a giant panda, a little mini panda, Knuckles, Yoshi, and Jigglypuff, and a childhood drawing. I also have a weird looking lamp. I feel like I should repaint this lamp just because I painted it when I was maybe like the 5th grade, thinking, oh my gosh, it looks so cool, but like, bruh. What is that? Okay. Next to my bed is canvas that I painted. I also have, oh, actually here, I'll show you guys up close. I drew this because it's like what it means to be a hero, and I'll keep it still as much as I can so you guys can pause it if you want to read it. But basically I just wanted to have little motivational quotes of what it means to be a hero, to remind myself to be the best that I can be, and I just think that's a really nice message. Anyway, so coming down here, I also have my old iPod right there. It's all shattered and broken. She's seen better days. So we also have my I have a hyacinth that I haven't started growing yet because you need it to be in a cold environment. Right now the weather's still kind of warm where I am. I also have a little clock, which doesn't work. I just think it looks cute. I also have this little art project that I made in the 8th grade, along with another art project I made in the 8th grade as well. I just thought they kind of looked cool sitting there. I have a little few games there. Ooh, look at this. Do you want? Okay, look how cool this is. Okay, there's a crab in here. This is from the Philippines. There's a crab in here, and it's just like frozen in this rock. Okay, and down here we have my 3 Troll Hunter Pops, along with some gnomes that I guess got knocked over in the process. Alright, and right here, I have a kind of like a little keychain collection. Those are on my keychains. Alright, I just keep my backpack there. It has all my school stuff, my face shield for work, and another little mini backpack. And then up here we have my closet, which I'm not going to show you guys much inside because it's very messy. There's like not really much to show. And then if we go up there, my old cheer pom-poms and some more DS games from my childhood. And we have some onesies that just hang in there. And then we come back and we're back at the mirror. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you can see this lovely face again. This has been Kawaayeet and I'm gonna yeet out. Bye!